cup. And callaloo juice is good to lower blood pressure and also increase your iron level, especially. Be strong. Good evening, guys. Welcome to 12 Years On. Today we'll be making a little callaloo juice this is frozen callaloo add with ginger. So it's not blending a lot of it.
What is this good for?
And cold water. Alright, first of all. And blend. Check for consistency. You can add some more water, can't be too thick. Not really a smoothie, it's a juice. It's okay. I'm going to strain. So this is our finished product. Pour it in the cup. And callaloo juice is good to lower blood pressure and also increase your iron level, especially if you're anemic. This is it right here.